Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to permanently remove or disable the Ask AI Assistant bar in Adobe Acrobat. If this AI bar keeps popping up every time you open a PDF file, this quick tutorial will help you turn it off completely. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat or PDF file on your computer. Now go to the top left corner and click on the hamburger menu. From the menu, select Preferences. Or you can quickly open Preferences by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the left side and click on Generative AI. Now you will see these options. Uncheck Enable Generative AI features in Acrobat. And also uncheck Show AI Query bar on document. After unchecking both options, click OK to save the changes. Now close the PDF file and reopen your PDF file. Now the Ask AI Assistant bar will no longer appear every time you open a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.